Whoa now, hey, Mr. Ranger, Mr. Ranger, tell me where you're going, tell us where you're headed. All right, come on, let's go, dude. Oh man. So today was an easy day. It was very much in and out today. We took the level was actually that I called out, right? So let's go over the watch list and show you guys again step by step how it works. So these trades never happened, right? We had SPY 685 bounce or below 685 to 680. So we go to SPY, we have a level at 685 and that's 680, right? Whatever. Boom. 685 and 680. So price action never came into this level. So no trades on spot. Granted, that 691 reject we could probably take again, but we'll wait for that confirmation. You know, I'm not in a rush for it. Great day today so far. So I'm done for the day. Actually, great Friday. It's Friday too. Happy Friday. Yeah, I'm definitely done for the day. I had a great week, fantastic week. Um, Discord ate this. I was on point this week for everything. Usually smacking, but the market was giving us some choppy moves most of December, and then so it was very slow in December. But we're definitely back now. So get back in it. Tesla again, 440 bounce below 440 to 430, right? So we go to Tesla. We put our levels 440, 430. All right, boom, 440, 430, right? And then 452 to 457, 452 to 457, right? Boom. So price never went into this area or into this area, right? So no trades. Granted, yes, we could have taken this reject at 452 all the way down potentially to that 439. But we don't know that yet. We need confirmation. We gotta wait for price to break these lows at least 444. Then we go down to 440. Go to the 1 hour really to see, but I mean, yeah, it looks good. It looks good to go. It looks good to go to at least 440 from here. So we'll see, right? Either way, you could have taken that reject at this 452. That was a nice little sweep and reclaim back under, retest, and go, right? So, you could target 445 from that 451. You would already be up, $3 in profit, which is a great trade, right? So that's where it's like, don't be greedy. If you think that price is going to bounce here, then take your profits, especially if you're doing, if you're going short as we're bullish, like, let's see. But yeah, we also have, it's a strong resistance, right? So nothing happened there. And then Meta below 637 to 630. Sorry, I be going off on. I just look at the charts and I just like get sucked into it, and then I forget what I was talking about. But anyways, Meta 637 to 630, right below. So 637, boom, to 630, right? That would have been a decent downside right there. Or check it out, 440, 452 to 457. All right, boom. So now we go. I'm tripping. I just read Tesla's. Damn, I got dyslexia or something. I don't know. Maybe just stupidity. I just looked at the wrong number. So Meta above 644 to 654. It's too many 654, 457s. I can't. So above 644 to 654. This would be 644 right here. And then to 654 right there, right? So when the market opened, yes, if you were stealthy as shit and grabbed that initial entry, just if you had it loaded and just knew that this was going to happen, then you would have caught that entire initial move. But we didn't. So it broke out, gave us our good confirmation that we want to go to the upside. We wait for our pullback. I typically try to wait for the previous day's highs or pre-market highs, which is right here in this case. So even if you put your line there, this is, this is your good. This could be a good entry zone right here, and then stop loss below that, right? Break and close below that. So this is where we entered, and that was 648, 649 entry to 653.99, 654. We closed on this candle. So that was gorgeous, right? Obviously, when that candle closed, we could have held a runner, but I smacked this in all three accounts, so I'm not really trying to, like, I don't care to be greedy like that. It's Friday. I'm green on all three accounts. I love it. I'm grateful for it. Thank you, God. Move on to the next day. Enjoy the weekend. So that's really all that happened today, right? But also, let's say you're like, oh yeah, well, you take bounces off the previous day, or this London high, or this pre-market high, like whatever, and you think it's all mumbo jumbo. I'll break it. I'll try to make it a little simpler for you. This line, above this line, go to this line, right? In between this line is where I come in, and you have to go to the intraday trades. And then I say, hey, I'm grabbing these calls, right? And then I even tell you, I'm going light. I'm very overbought. Like, it's very overbought, right? But Meta is just a beast. Like, it just pushes. So on a strong breakout like that, I'll take my chances on an overbought, move to the upside. So that's where I come in. You just have to, you know, watch the chart and watch the Discord, and then I'll update like 50% fully out, like safe trim, 50% fully out, right? And then that was about a $4 move, $4 or $5. What else you want? What do you want from me? It's like, I can only do so much. So yeah, that's it for the day. It was an easy day. We were done by like 9 o'clock. Let's go. Get with it. Stop being lazy. Put in a little bit of effort. It'll go a long way. All right. Literally, like any type of motivation. It is 2026. If you are still broke in 2026, you simply are just undisciplined or lazy. It's like, it is easy to make money in 2026.